with Chip.
Hello friends. Are you healthy? Today, let's learn and recognize the names of dogs. Let's get started.
Akita Inu.
Akita Inu, one of a Japanese breed of large, muscular dogs having a broad head with erect ears, a stiff coat of brown, red, black, or brindle color, and a long tail curled over its back. Originally bred for hunting, now often used as a guard dog. Bye-bye.
Alaskan Malamute.
Alaskan Malamute are powerful dogs of a breed with a thick, gray coat, bred by the Inuit and typically used to pull sleds. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
American Eskimo Dog.
American Eskimo Dog, a dog of a small to medium-sized breed developed in the United States from European Spitzes, having a thick white or white and cream coat, erect ears, and a plumed tail, and formerly popular in circus acts. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Basset Hound.
Basset Hound, a short-haired hunting dog of a breed originating in France and having a long body, short legs, and long drooping ears. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Beagle.
Beagle, a small hound of a breed having short legs, drooping ears, and a smooth coat with white, black, and tan markings. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bichon Frise. Bichon Frise, a dog of a small breed originating in the Mediterranean area, having a wavy white coat, drooping ears, and curved tail carried over the back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Poodle.
Poodle, a dog of a breed developed in Europe to retrieve game from the water, having a thick curly coat that is often clipped, and classified by size into standard, miniature, and toy varieties. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Pug.
A gay dog of a small sturdy breed developed in China, having a short muzzle, wrinkled face, short smooth coat, and tightly curled tail. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yorkshire Terrier.
Yorkshire Terrier, one of an English breed of toy terriers having a long, silky, straight coat that is dark steel blue with tan on the head, chest, and legs. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to share and do not forget to subscribe to the latest videos. Say goodbye to you and see you in the next video.